This is a lesson I needed to learn, and still trying to make sure I stay positive with on myself. So I wanted to make sure I get it out to everybody else. Make sure that
Don't be a puppet.
yeah, don't let nobody be sitting here toying with you and moving you around and shit, bro. Just do as you please. Somebody get you mad, laugh that shit off. You can never have two. That's another. You can never have two emotions at the same time. So if you get yourself into and if you're mad and you get yourself into laughing, you're gonna laugh that shit off. You're gonna laugh that shit off, and you're gonna think about a different spot. So try to get yourself out of that mad space and do like Coach Child says. Wait 30 seconds to respond. If you wait 30 seconds to respond, you're probably not gonna respond the same way that you wanted to respond 30 seconds ago. All right.